Skin Cycling, the 2025 Guide to Smarter Skincare. In 2025, beauty is not about piling on products, it's about understanding skin behavior and working with it. One of the most talked about trends in the skincare world this year is skin cycling, a dermatologist-backed routine that gives your skin exactly what it needs on a rotating schedule. Originally popularized by Dr. Whitney Bowe, the trend has evolved and solidified into a globally respected routine, especially among Gen Z and millennial users seeking clarity in a cluttered beauty market. In a digital landscape filled with 10-step routines, skin cycling cuts through the noise with a focused, restorative approach. At its core, skin cycling is about alternating active ingredients with rest days to strengthen the skin barrier. The traditional model includes 4 nights, exfoliation, retinoids, and 2 nights of recovery. The exfoliation night sloughs off dead skin cells and prepares the surface for deeper penetration of actives. In 2025, exfoliating has become more refined. PHA and enzyme-based peels have taken the spotlight over traditional AHAs, especially for sensitive skin types. Influencers and dermatologists alike now advocate for minimal, effective exfoliation, leading to the popularity of gentle but effective at-home peels that work in under 5 minutes. These treatments allow the skin to breathe, reflect light better, and feel smoother, reducing the need for heavy makeup. The second night focuses on retinoids, long praised for their anti-aging, acne-fighting, and texture-smoothing powers. But this year, retinaldehyde has become the star of the show. It's more potent than retinol, but less irritating than prescription retinoids. Beauty brands have responded by launching time-release retinol serums that deliver consistent results without causing flakiness or redness. The key in 2025 is micro-dosing. Less is more. Skincare podcasts and community forums are filled with discussions on how to integrate retinoids without wrecking the skin barrier. People now know it's not just about using actives, it's about how, when, and how often. That's what makes skin cycling so revolutionary. It lets you use powerful ingredients strategically, rather than all at once. Recovery nights are the cornerstone of the skin cycling movement, and they've evolved into mini spa rituals. On these nights, the focus is hydration, barrier repair, and skin nourishment. Ceramides, peptides, and fermented ingredients are all the rage in 2025. Think of it as resetting your skin's internal clock after the heavy lifting of exfoliation and retinoid nights. Multi-weight hyaluronic acids, postbiotic creams, and sleep masks have become cult favorites. Influencers post nightstand tours, showing off their soothing product lineups. This personalized approach to healing your skin has made recovery nights something to look forward to, not just a pause in the action. The visual appeal of skin cycling is a big reason it's podcast-friendly and poster-perfect. Each night represents a clear stage in the cycle, ideal for diagrammatic representation. The trend also aligns with the minimalist, high-efficiency beauty standards of 2025. Where consumers prioritize skin health over trends and are educated enough to decode ingredient labels. With data-driven skincare becoming more accessible through apps and AI diagnostics, skin cycling is more than a trend. It's a smarter way to engage with your skin, one night at a time.